Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to connect with Netbeans and MySQL professional way without download and install the XAMPP server. You have to, instead of that, you have to install the MySQL workbench. It's very simple. Go to the Google and type MySQL workbench. This is the site where you're going to download the MySQL. Okay, so you have to download them. This one, right? MySQL workbench, right? You have to download and install them, the MySQL workbench, right? So this is the must. Okay, with MySQL workbench, it's very simple, right? After done this, after install the software, if you open it, it's look like this here. This is the icon. It's look like this. You have to open it. If you open the dashboard, look like this. You can see the port. Okay, so here this is a run. This is a root is a username. While installing that, I have given the password as root. Okay, so this is the localhost. This is the port where it will be running. Okay, so if you double click on this one, it will be connecting. Okay, uh, it sometime asks the password, so you will be able to give the password. It will be login look like this. Okay, so it will be here. This is the database I have created. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, this is the database I have created, right? The database I have created, right? So this database, I'm going to how to connect into our Netbeans. Okay, so here let's back to our Netbeans. So here you have a new option called service. You can see here the service. You have a databases, right? So I have this one. I have to delete them. I've reconnected again, right? So here reconnected, right? So you have a database. You can have a database. In this database, how to connect with the database? So here right click, new connection. You have to provide the connection and drivers. Okay, first you have to select the appropriate driver. So select as MySQL. So you have to select the driver. So you just go to the Google and type get the drivers. Okay, so you just go to the Google and type here, go to the Google and type MySQL connector for JavaScript. This is the here you can see J connector MySQL. Okay, this one. Click on this one. You have to download them the latest version. This one. I already downloaded and installed it. I already downloaded. So you just click and download them. After that, what you are going to do is, you have to. This is the connector you have to select. Okay, there will be the local drive. You have to select this MySQL J connector here. You can check here. Here that's the driver. Okay, so here MySQL J driver, this one. Okay, so this one you have to select. You have to connect this. You can import this one. Add it. What is the driver I downloaded here? I already imported. You select and import it. Okay, where you after download, then you have to extract them. You have to add it here. After that, click next. Here you have to provide the connector. Okay, so here this is a connection. What is the connection? I will see. Manage the connection. You can see here. The port will be 7. While I install it, I have given the port 7. Root is a username. Password is root. That's how I have given. Okay, so you have to put it here. This one's the port. This one database. What is the database we have to connect? LMS school. You have to give the name properly. LMS school password root. That is the thing you have to do, right? That's the thing you have to do. Now you have to test the connection. Connection succeed. You can see here. You can get the message connection succeed, right? That is the message you have to get it. Connection succeed. Click next. Click next. Here you have to click finish. That's it. Your database here. This your connection will be appearing here. Okay, that's a simple stuff, right? Now here you have to go to the properties. You have to copy the connection. Just Control C to copy connection. You have to copy the connection. This is the database URL. You just this one, not this one. Database URL. Just copy this one. Control C to copy. Now let's back to our. I am going to create the new project Java application. Click create main class. You have to create the main class. This one should be the Java Connect, Java DB Connect. This simple way. This is how you have to connect it. You can see here, simple connect. This is the console application I am going to create. Simple connection. Okay, I will be making. We'll see whether it's working fine or not. Alright. First, I am going to establish the create the class import Java dot SQL for we will be access all the SQL packages over here. After that, we have to create the connection methods. Connection run prepare statement PST. That's it. Now here we have to this one should will be the connection. The simple connection method I just copy and paste it. I'll be explaining it. Right. This is simple connection. I'll be explaining over here. Right. Method we don't need them at the moment. Here after this one method I just copy and paste it over here. This one we don't need it on the class, right? Method I'll be accessing. Okay. Alright. Now here let's check whether it's working fine or not. Only the connection only I needed. First time we don't need other stuff, right? The connection only we will be needed, right? The connection only. So here we have to import the try and catch block. Okay, here at the moment we don't need them the other things catch block, right? What are the things? Non-static. So here the connection con, you have to paste it over here, right? Now we everything done it, right? So here now let's see here we print out the system dot out dot println. We have to make it as success. If it is anything failure, you display the error message over here. So here this is the driver registration. So here if it is a new driver, now I have downloaded the new MySQL driver. So you have to MySQL new driver, you have to write like this. Okay, the com MySQL CJ JDBC driver, this is the new connector, you have to write like this. Okay, yeah, in my previous tutorial I am not writing this one CJ. Now they included the new version CJ, you have to write it. Okay, here you have to provide the connection right like this. Okay, localhost, this is the port where your MySQL is running. This is a database where your MySQL is connected. This is a user credential. Root is a username and password is root. Okay, if it is all the things are correct, the message will display success. Let's run and check. Connection null. Why, what's the problem? Connection null. Okay, the problem is here. It's okay. Here, this is your connect where our database DB connect. Okay, this is my project. Inside the project we have a package Java Connect. This is our class. Okay, so here libraries we have to add the jar file. That's the problem. Okay, if you want to add the jar file, what is the jar file you have downloaded? Okay, you add it. Okay, the library also you have to add it. Okay, so now if you run it, now yes, success. Then connection will be success. That's why we have connected database, right? Very simple. Okay, I hope you guys understood the things well. Now here you will be able to create the database, all the stuff you have done here. Okay, here the service. Okay, this is the thing here. This is the database is coming here. Okay, you have to do all the stuff over here. The table also you have to create the tables, or we had to create table. You have to create a new table over here. All the stuff you have to done here. Okay, very simple. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.